Hello everyone, we are here with a new video. As always, we are with you to give you some updates and give you some informations. If you are new to our channel, you can subscribe for more information, and if you are a student who want to get entry in RIE, then you can also subscribe our channel because we are providing you 100 plus videos on YouTube freely for the preparation of RIE CEE 2020. So we'll start from the update that NERIE Shillong has its last date of qualification marks update 10th December. Okay students, so these students need to get prepared, and RIE Mysuru had its last date today itself, and it must have completed its qualification marks process, or maybe tomorrow they'll update us about something. And Ajmer has extended its qualification marks update last date, but they have not yet released it. Okay students, that was the update. Now I will continue with telling you about the syllabus for the 2021 preparation. This is on demand video, and one of our subscriber Jennifer asked us about this video, that she is from Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu, and she wants this video in English. So for her request, I will make this video bilingual and mostly in English. Okay, so I'll try to make all both language students to make this understand. This is syllabus for RICEE 2020. As students on the NCERT RIE, the main website does not have the 2021 syllabus released yet, so we are showing you the authentic available details of 2020, because most of the time RIE CEE does not change its syllabus, because it was the same in 2019 as it is in 2020. So we are hoping it will be same in 2021 as well. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो इसी उम्मीद के साथ कि 2021 में भी यही सिलेबस रहेगा, वील स्टार्ट हियर. Separate questions will be administered for the following groups. यहाँ पे these groupings are done for the separate questions level will be there for these groupings as group A, BSc B.Ed, BA B.Ed, MSc B.Ed. The students who are coming for group A level will have separate level of questions. B.Ed group B will have separate level of questions, and MEd will have separate level of question. This is what it implies. इसका ये जो ग्रुपिंग की गई है यहाँ पे इनके लेवल के हिसाब से, इसका मतलब ये है कि इनके लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस जो होंगे वो डिफरेंट होंगे. Okay, so in the second point they are explaining it. Group A, the level of questions will be such as expected as the candidate completing higher education, senior secondary education. So when I imply it to Jennifer, Jennifer is going to pass her 12th exam this year, so she will be coming in group A. Okay, for the students who are in group B, as expected the candidate completing graduation, or for the students who have done their BA, BSc, or either any other kind of graduation degree, for them group B will be their group. And group C, the level of question will be such as expected candidate completing graduation and professional education level. When it comes to RIE CEE, they consider professional level education as B.Ed or DLEd. What it means कि जब ग्रुप सी के अंदर वो स्टूडेंट आएंगे जिन्होंने प्रोफेशनल एजुकेशन लेवल और अपनी ग्रेजुएशन दोनों कर रखी होगी. प्रोफेशनल एजुकेशन में वो B.Ed, और एलिमेंट्री के लिए जिन्होंने प्रोफेशनल एजुकेशन ले रखी है एलिमेंट्री स्कूलिंग के लिए, उनके लिए होगा ये. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, सो ये आप समझ गए होंगे. फॉर ऑल द ग्रुप्स areas will be tested are, so the question paper will have these three things in it. Okay, this is here they are explaining us what kind of question paper will it be. Language proficiency, one subject. This is going to be a complete English based subject. Okay, हिंदी मीडियम के स्टूडेंट्स को भी ये समझ लेना होगा कि लैंग्वेज प्रोफिशिएंसी का पेपर इंग्लिश का पेपर है और ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में ही प्रिंट होकर आएगा आपके लिए। टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड एंड एटीट्यूड, ये शैक्षिक अभिवृत्ति है और ये हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में प्रिंट होकर आएगा। ये पेपर एक ही शीट मिलेगी लेकिन दोनों लैंग्वेजेस में मिलेगी। इन बोथ लैंग्वेज इट विल बी प्रोवाइडेड, हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, विच एवर यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन यू कैन अटेम्प्ट इट। रीजनिंग एबिलिटी, जो मेंटल एबिलिटी होती है, इसका भी आपको हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में मिलेगा। बट लैंग्वेज प्रोफिशिएंसी ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंग्लिश का पेपर है एंड इट विल बी ओनली अवेलेबल इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। Number of test times 80. Test items, the test items means the number of questions would be 80 and time duration will be 120 minutes. Out of 80 question, language proficiency, that is English in 20 questions, teaching aptitude and attitude यानी कि शिक्षक अभिवृत्ति जो है ये 30 questions होंगे इसके, रीजनिंग एबिलिटी 30 क्वेश्चंस होंगे। तो मीडियम ऑफ टेस्ट बुकलेट ओनली इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी एक्सेप्ट फॉर लैंग्वेज प्रोफिशिएंसी। व्हाट इट मीन्स कि जो बुकलेट्स आएंगे आपके पास क्वेश्चंस के लिए, वो लैंग्वेज प्रोफिशिएंसी का जो पेपर होगा वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंग्लिश में अवेलेबल होगा क्योंकि वो इंग्लिश का ही पेपर है। एंड other 2 booklets will be available in only English and Hindi. For those South Indian students who are watching our channel can understand that their mother tongue will not be available, they will have to attempt this paper in English only. Only one set of booklet will be given for each group. Group A, Group B, Group C, each group will have one set and each group will have different level as well as it is defined earlier. 8th point is that correct answer will carry 2 marks. Okay students, correct answer will give you 2 marks and a wrong answer will carry negative minus 0.5 marks each, and questions unattended will carry no marks. So this is all about the pattern when you prepare for it, because most students are starting their preparation because it is most likely that RIE will start releasing its form in April 2021. So we are describing the pattern for RIE CE. Okay, these 3 subjects are now here are in a explained way. They are defined very clearly what kind of topics will occur in the examination. Language proficiency has these questions, these topics in it. For this you can read it carefully, I guess, or I will read it for you, otherwise the video will be very long, but I'll read it anyways. Language proficiency English, indicating specific areas like comprehension होता है, पैसेज राइटिंग, जो पैसेज के अंदर से आपको निकाल के बताना होता है व्हाट विल बी द हेडिंग, टाइटल ऑफ दिस एंड व्हाट वुड बी द अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर टू सम पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन, या फिर some word will be given to you and what will be the similar meaning word. These kind of questions are asked in comprehension. Rearranging sentences, selecting suitable words of the blanks, finding out errors in part of the sentences, finding out equivalent meaning to the given phrases, finding out suitable words for the incomplete sentences, sequencing, grammar which includes synonyms, antonyms, idioms, prepositions, tenses, articles. This is going to be this syllabus of language proficiency English. और ये हिंदी के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी ये जान लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि इंग्लिश का पेपर सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंग्लिश में ही आएगा, उसके लिए आपको हिंदी अनुवाद नहीं मिलेगा और ये टॉपिक्स आपको अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करके जाने हैं. टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड यानी कि शैक्षिक अभिवृत्ति विल कवर स्पेसिफिक एरियाज लाइक एप्टीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स एजुकेशन, मतलब कि आपका शिक्षा की तरफ कैसा झुकाव है, कैसा व्यवहार है. चिल्ड्रन एंड टीचिंग प्रोफेशन, interest in teaching, leadership qualities and group management, emotional and social adjustment, interpersonal and interpersonal skills, and general awareness of contemporary issues pertaining to school education, like the new policy on school education as it was released in 2020. these kind of contemporary issues. Reasoning ability, we also have indicating specific areas like verbal and non-verbal reasoning, missing numbers, number series, letter series, theme finding, jumbling, analogy, odd one out, arranging the statements in the sequential form, statements and conclusion, syllogism, logical problems, and establishing relationships. Here I am done with reciting you the syllabus, and the students, these topics are covered thoroughly in our 100 plus videos, and the playlists link is available in the description box. And if you don't find any video, then you can message us, we will make a video on that. In reasoning ability there might be some topics which are not covered, you can tell us, but language proficiency and teaching aptitude are wholly covered. In that too, teaching aptitude is covered in Hindi and English both. हिंदी में भी ये कवर किया है हमने टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड को, और इंग्लिश में भी कवर किया है, तो स्टूडेंट्स आप उसके लिए आराम से रहें. एंड दिस वन इज़ फॉर नाउ जेनिफर हैज़ आस्क्ड अस that she want the BSc B.Ed syllabus. So I am showing her the eligibility for BSc the syllabus we have seen. Eligibility criteria's video we have created previously, but for BSc B.Ed specifically I am mentioning for Jennifer. BSc B.Ed course candidates seeking admission to physical science group must have passed with physics, chemistry, mathematics, that is PCM. M stand for mathematics or statistics, and those seeking admission to biological science group, that is CBZ, must have passed physics, chemistry and biology, PCB. B stands for biology or biotechnology at +2 level. Candidates must have passed +2 higher secondary, senior secondary or any equivalent examination recognized by university or board with at least 50% marks in aggregate of qualifying examination. Qualifying examination that is आपकी जो 12वीं है, हायर सेकेंडरी जो भी है, उसमें आपके 50% मार्क्स कम से कम आए हुए होने चाहिए. रिलैक्सेशन ऑफ 5% मार्क्स फॉर SC ST और PWD कैंडिडेट्स. PW कैंडिडेट्स आर दोज दिव्यांगजन और वी से handicapped people. The qualifying examination should be recognized by the affiliated university of RIEs. Candidates who have passed +2 higher secondary or senior secondary or any equivalent examination in 2018, 19 and appeared in 2020 only. So this says the 3-year thing that we have mentioned in the previous video of our eligibility criteria, that after passing +2 you are eligible to appear in RIE CEE till 3 years of your passing year of +2. Okay students, so we are done with the video today, and you can ask us more questions like Jennifer. If you want more information or on topics like that, we are always with you to provide you information. And we have a Telegram channel which also have link given in the description box. You can ask us questions on that too. So students, this is it for today. Have a nice day, stay safe, stay healthy and prepare for your exam. Work hard, because in the time of COVID, people have started thinking that if we don't study well, that too is okay because government is going to pass us somehow. But it is not a good thinking. Keep studying. Bye bye students.